Hello children, this is Beena ma'am's class. This is your sixth chapter of civics, political parties. Today we will discuss here political parties, role of political parties in democracies, formation of constitutional design in electoral politics, and in the making and working of governments. Children, political parties are easily one of the most visible institution in democracy. For most ordinary citizen, democracy is equal to political parties. If you travel to remote parts of our country and speak to less educated children, you could come across people who may not know anything about our constitution or about the nature of our government. But chances are they would know something about our political parties. At the same time, this visibility does not mean popularity. Most people tends to very critical to political parties. They tend to blame parties for all that is working with our democracy and our political life. Parties have become identified with the social and political division. First, we will discuss here about political parties and components. A political party has three components: leaders, active members, and the followers. Now, next is political party in India. There are two types of political party, beta: national parties, political parties, and regional political parties. Now, you can see here different party system is here. There is one party system. In some countries, only one party is allowed to control and run the government. These are called one party system. For example, China is only the Communist Party is allowed to rule. Two party system means in some countries power is shared between two main parties. Such parties is called two party system. The United States of America and United Kingdoms are example of two party. Now there is multi party system. If several parties compete for power and more than two parties have reasonable chance of winning, we call it a multi-party system. In India, we have a multi-party system. Since multi-party system tends to offer more choices to the voters, it is often considered better than other part system. Today we will discuss here function of political parties. Function of political parties, first is political party contest elections or holds elections, declaration of policies, molding public opinion. First, we will discuss contest elections means in democracies, elections are contested by the political parties by putting up their candidates. The candidates are selected in different ways. For example, in USA, members and supporters of a party choose their candidates. In India, top party leaders choose candidates for their contesting elections. Now, molding public opinions to form and run the government. The role of opposition. The role of opposition means those parties that lose in the elections play the role of opposition to the government. They voice their views and criticize government for its failure or wrong policies. They do this by raising various type of motions in the legislature or by asking question. They can ask any question. Parties play a decisive role in making laws. Parties provide people access to government machinery and welfare schemes. Means कि ordinary citizen approach local party leaders about their demands and grievances. They get information about government policies from them. For an ordinary citizen, it is easy to approach a local party leader than a government officer. They feel close to parties even when they do not fully trust. Parties have to responsive to the people's need and demands. Otherwise, people can reject these parties in next election. So these are the function of political party. The six national parties in India are Indian National Congress, Bharatiya Janata Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Communist Party of India, Marxist, Communist Party of India, National Congress Party.